What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oscar and I'm bringing you guys another video. On today's video, we're in downtown Willow Glen celebrating another year of the Goombahs Car Show. We've been coming to this show, I believe, the last 4 years, and it's a pretty amazing show. It's not just Volkswagens, but they do fill up a parking lot full of Volkswagens, and that's what we're here for. So let's go ahead and find the parking lot and get all the Volkswagens, and then after I'll show you guys some of my favorite cars that come out here every year. But with that being said, let's get this video started, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun. Alright, so before we go to the parking lot, we can walk around here, watch some of the vendors that come out, support the cause.
Been there a year. I don't think I finished telling you this.
Just like Lawrence Welk.
Yep. Start
Alright, Bank of America parking lot. Music is going crazy right now. There's like 20 different songs playing right now, but usually we have all the Volkswagens parked on this parking lot right here, but you guys can see people did not show up early enough, and now we don't have it lined up, but we're trying to catch all the cars, so let's go ahead and get started.
On the right?
No, I have that Mustang over there, the green one.
Find it.
That's second.
That's where,
Chilling, huh?
yeah, oh yeah.
Llegando al chopper, pinche soso de volar a cortar esta madre.
That's a stereo system right there. That's a stereo system.
¿No la vio? Si la vio.
Well, I just get a good wash. You seal it.
Oh yeah.
That's what you want. You want the water to seal on it. You want it to just roll off.
Hey, where'd you find her at?
Oh, pero Chaparrito no comió. Ya que se suba aquí el camarada y
¿Qué me estás cocinando?
coffee. Free coffee. Stretched it.
Alright, so let's go ahead and walk around. I'll show you guys 2 or 3 of my favorite cars and we'll call it a day. Hope you guys been enjoying this video. If you are, make sure to hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And we are almost to 4,000 subscribers. So if you can hit the subscription button, that would be awesome. Let's walk around.
I'm sure.
8-inch rims with the 5-inch rims in the front. Ole, papa, dale. Go for it, bro. 1776 with 40 millimeters right there.
Sick, bro.
Super Pro Street model transmission. 8s in the back, sprint stars. 5s in the front. My favorite part's the fucking foxtail right there, baby. Rack top. Mercedes interior. Tiene todo, papá.
Better by face.
Yeah.
You a lot of them. Yeah.
Yeah, a bunch of them.
Where you guys at? Beetles?
Saturday, I'll buy everything.
Okay. Okay.
I brought all my boxes.
Oh, so you got a match.
Yeah, trying. Yeah.
Yeah, the green mine was
Alright, this deal is sick. Got this right here. Interior is beautiful. Not the boys. Boys representing out here today. Another sad thing is they used to park the cars right in the middle, and as you guys can see, you can no longer do that. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys had a lot of fun. As you guys can see, we had to walk a little bit extra this year to get all the cars, but still had a lot of fun. I'll definitely come back next year. And if you decide to come out next year, then make sure to come out a little bit earlier, because now that they blocked off the main street, it is very, very difficult to find a parking spot around here. But that's my advice. Other than that, come out here and have a good time. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon right now. I think my wife is about to come by and we're about to grab some lunch. So I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.